Hey there YouTube. Okay, today we're going to be looking at the world's smallest quadcopters, and that's the Hubsan Q4 and also the Cheerson CX-10A. So there they both are, each with their own radio controls, and we're going to look at them one at a time and also see which one exactly is the smallest nano drone out there. Okay, so first of all, that's the Hubsan Q4, also known under other types, as at the moment it's patent pending, so it's quite new and it's not an established make. But this one is the Hubsan Q4. As you can see, it's basically the circuit board and the props and holders in there and the battery in the top there, so very lightweight. So that's the Hubsan Q4, and that's what some people call the world's smallest quadcopter, or nano drone. And the other one, which is also being called the world's smallest nano quadcopter, is the Cheerson CX-10A. Now for the first test, well, basically just a comparison to see which one is actually the smallest. You can see if we put them next to each other like that, and if you come straight down, you can see, as you look at him, the Cheerson is actually slightly smaller. The frame of the Hubsan Q4 comes out a little bit more than the Cheerson, and also on a side view you can see it's slightly smaller. So when it goes to the actual dimensions and mass, the Cheerson CX-10A is the smallest. So another test here. The Cheerson CX-10A has got an outer body shell of plastic, where this has a lot less. This is just like the circuit board and everything all in there. So we'll just see how much each one weighs. And there you go. You can see the Hubsan Q4 weighs 11.5 grams, and if we put the Cheerson CX-10A on, that weighs 12 grams. So they are quite comparable to each other. So although the Cheerson CX-10 is smaller and the Hubsan is slightly larger, the Hubsan does weigh less at 11.5 grams. So there's a Hubsan Q4, and that's 11.5 grams, and again the Cheerson CX-10A, and that's 12 grams in there. So there you go. So when we compare the size of both of these quadcopters, you can see that the Cheerson CX-10A is actually smaller than the Hubsan Q4, but the Hubsan Q4 weighs half a gram less. So sorry, 0.5. So yeah, that kind of wraps that one up. So for anyone wondering which one the tiniest out of them is, basically one is smaller than the other. The Cheerson CX-10 is the smallest, but the Hubsan Q4 weighs the least. So hope that helped.